going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I am vlogging for the first time on the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. This is the 4G, not the 5G version. And there's really not that much difference between the 4 and the 5 other than it's the 4G versus the 5G and the price difference. But I did get the opportunity to take this phone on the roof tonight. It is nighttime here. And I shot a little video using the mics just like I'm using right now. And I'm just doing it the way you're going to get it straight out of the box. I'm not color grading anything. I'm not altering the sound in any way. But I am going to use the DJI mics when I come back because I did use the DJI mics one video up on the roof. So let me share that with you guys right now so you can see what you can expect at night. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm out here with the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G at night video mode using the dual video at 1080p 30 frames per second. And I have to tell you, it looks pretty bad. Pretty damn blurry looking at this, at least from what I can see on this screen. And I don't have any external mics or anything. This is direct sound from the Tecno Camon 40 Pro. All right, guys, so here is ultra wide 1080p. No, this is 2K still. Ultra wide. And look how dark everything is now compared to what it was before on the regular 50 megapixel. This is only 8 in the ultra wide, and you can tell a huge difference with this camera. All right, so this is regular video mode, 2K 30 frames per second. Now this is better. The jitter should be a lot better using the gimbal here from DJI. Let's walk a little bit and see. This doesn't look as blurry as it did before. And I'm gonna do another video and I'm gonna add the DJI Mic Mini to this to get the sound quality. All right, guys, so now we're using the DJI Mic Mini with the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G, not 5G. And that's really the only difference between the 4 and the 5G is the band of 5G versus 4G. There's about a $80 to $100 difference, depends on where you're buying it. But yeah, that's only the real difference. And if you get the 40 without the Pro, there's really not a whole lot of difference in that one either, which is a lot cheaper than this one. But this one was on sale for $270, which is why I picked it up. But overall though, it's not a bad phone. All right, guys, so back using the DJI mics, the Mic Mini, and this is the sound quality you can expect. I showed you the videos from being on the roof at night. They're okay. The main camera's okay. The wide angle camera is not very good. The dual videos that I started out with, they're not very good either. So know what you're getting, because this is a mid-range phone that was $270. And the reason why I got it is that I really like those AI features, and I'll be back with videos to show you some tips and tricks with the AI features on this device, which is pretty unique, okay? That and the long-lasting battery life that it has with the 5200 milliamp battery. So as far as selfies, video quality, I have my main phone, which is my iPhone for that. This is primarily because I wanted another Android phone. I didn't want to get another Samsung. I didn't want to get another Pixel. And this is my third Tecno phone. So I do like these phones. The quality from the video is just not there. But I'm gonna share some photos though at the end, a couple of photos that I took while I was up on the roof. And you know, you guys make your decisions from there, okay? I'm just showing you what's straight out of the box, not color grading, changing anything. I'm just using the DJI mic to show you that it does work with this, and that's it. Okay, guys, so that's it. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.